Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Honda Civic backseat step by step. Start by folding the rear seat backs and clearing the area of loose items. Remove any visible bolts at the seat base using a socket and keep hardware organized in a tray. Use a trim tool to gently pry up plastic retainers, then lift the seat cushions straight up to disengage clips while watching for hidden fasteners. Once you fold the seat backs, locate the cushion bolts near the front edge and remove them carefully with the correct socket. Keep bolts grouped so reinstalling is simple. Use a plastic trim tool along the cushion edge to free any retainers without damaging upholstery. After bolts and clips are removed, lift straight up and pull forward to clear the rear hooks, then set the cushion aside on a protected surface. If this guide helps you, please subscribe and like the video for more practical tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings sound and voice control to your garage or workspace, making dull tasks more fun. It fits small spaces, responds to voice commands, and streams instructions hands-free while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the cushion removed, locate seatback fasteners at the base and remove them using the proper tools. If equipped, unplug any electrical connectors like heated seat leads or sensors before moving the backrest. Tilt the seat back forward gently to free the top hooks, then lift upward and out to avoid snagging upholstery. Store the backrest in a safe, padded spot and keep all hardware labeled for hassle-free reinstallation later.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.